Hello, everyone. Thanksgiving is just around the corner, and you're likely deciding how you're going to celebrate this year. Almost half of our shoppers plan to celebrate the holiday at home with only those in their household, creating new traditions and memories. Nothing brings people together, even socially distanced, like food. From those who know their way around the kitchen to some who may be cooking a turkey for the very first time, we are here to help. We have the freshest products and essentials you need to create an amazing meal experience. I don't know about you, but even talking about it makes me hungry. You can keep it simple with ready-to-eat sides, pre-made desserts, plant-based choices, or prepare your favorite dish from scratch. We have everything you need to celebrate Thanksgiving your way. Be sure to visit Kroger.com or use the Kroger app for recipes and holiday inspiration. The safety of our associates and customers continues to be our top priority during the holiday season. We ask that everyone wears a mask while in our stores, and I encourage you to wear one when you're out and about as well. We continue to limit the number of people in our stores to allow for physical distancing and ensure frequent and proper cleaning procedures are followed. We also have additional ways to shop using pickup or no contact delivery. While we are proactively limiting the number of paper products and cleaning items you can buy in a visit, know that our supply chain is strong, and we are replenishing our stores daily to ensure the supplies and products you need will be available. A huge thank you to our associates who work so hard to keep our customers and each other safe. Before I close, I want to take a moment to show my deep appreciation to all of our veterans who selflessly served our nation to protect our freedom and democracy. I'm especially grateful for our associates who have served or continue to serve, and their parents, family members, and friends who support them. Thank you. We recently witnessed an estimated 161 million Americans participate in the democratic process and exercise their right to vote. Whatever position and perspective you hold, I know we collectively share an interest in the well-being of our beloved nation. We are better together. This holiday season, I encourage all of us to practice kindness, generosity, and safety. Thank you.